Socializing 34. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1855, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised some characteristics which will allow a Muslim to enter paradise in peace. The final characteristic mentioned is spreading the Islamic greeting of peace to others. A Muslim should fulfill the true meaning of this righteous deed by extending peace to all through their actions and words. It is hypocritical to offer the Islamic greeting of peace to someone, and then harm them through one's actions and speech. A true Muslim and believer must keep their verbal and physical harm away from the self and possessions of others, irrespective of their faith. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4998. It includes aiding others according to one's means, such as emotional or physical support. The one who behaves in such a manner will be provided with support from Allah, the Exalted. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 225. Simply put, a Muslim should treat others how they desire to be treated by people through their speech and actions.